Good morning, students. You all are welcome in grade 7 Exponents and Powers. In today's new topics, let's we start from the beginning. And I think this is your new topics in these standards. So please be careful to understand the each points. Start from the introductions. Students, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 means how many times 1 2 3 4 times you have written. So you can write this 2 whatever times you have written, that you have to put that number on top position. So 2 raised to 4, it is read as 2 raised to 4. 7 multiplied by 7, which is read as 7 raised to 2. X multiplied by x multiplied by x, that is equal to x raised to 3. X multiplied by y multiplied by y multiplied by x means x multiplied by x, y multiplied by y means x raised to 2, y raised to 2. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 means minus 2 raised to 3. A multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a means a raised to 4. So if we write in general, a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a dash 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 n times, so we get a raised to n. So we write if a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by n times, so we write a raised to n. So n is our exponent, or you can say it is power, and a is your base, right? सपोज हम 2 यहाँ देखो x ने 3 बार लिखा तो x रेज टू 3, तो यहाँ a को हमने n बार लिखा तो a रेज टू n. सो n इज एक्सपोनेंट, और यू कैन से पावर, एंड बेस इज a, so a रेज टू n. Similarly, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 raised to 4. So when minus 1 raised to 4, you will get plus 1. How? See, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, and minus minus plus. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 times and minus 1 raised to 3, you will get minus 1 answer. How? Minus 1 minus minus plus, plus minus minus. But if you write this minus 1 6 times, you will get minus 1 raised to 6 plus 1. But if you write suppose minus 100 times, what will be answer? Minus 1 raised to 100, that is plus 1. How can I say? So that concept is there, students. So write down this concept. If negative number raised to odd exponent power, answer is always in negative. Negative number raised to even power, answer is always plus, or you can say plus 1, or you can say minus 1. नेगेटिव नंबर है तो उसका ऑड पावर है तो आप पहले माइनस 1 लिख दो, एंड नेगेटिव नंबर रेज टू इवन पावर तो प्लस. ओके, सो दिस यू रिमेंबर. नाउ हियर एक्सप्रेशन एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म एंड रीड एज 7 multiplied by 7, that is 7 square. So 7 raised to 2, or you can say 2 को हम बोलते हैं 7 square. 3 multiplied by 3, तो क्या होगा? 3 raised to 2 और 3 square. 4 1 2 3 4 4 I have written 5 times, so 4 raised to 5, or you can say fifth power of 4. Like this also you can read. Here a raised to 3 or third power of a, like that. Now example number 1, express 256 as power 2, right? So first of all you have to see, you have studied last time factorization by prime factor method, right? So that method you have to find out this 256 means 2 128s are 256, and then 2 64s are 128, and then 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, correct? 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 2 how many times here? It comes 8 times. So 2 multiplied by 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 2, like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. So we write 2 raised to 8. Similarly Example number 2, which one is greater? So 2 cube or 3 square? So 2 cube means what? 2 how many times? Whatever the power, that much time you have to write down 2. 3 times. So 2 2 is 4 2 is 8. 3 square means 3 how many times? 2 times. 3 3 is 9. So naturally 9 is greater than 8. You see. 9 is greater than 8. 9 means 3 raised to 2 is greater than 2 raised to 3. Like this way you can do. Example number 3, that you have to do in the form of homework. Now example number 4. Here a cube into b cube. So a cube means a 3 times we have to write down. B cube means we have to write down 3 times you have to write down b. Now a square means 2 times, b cube means 3 times. B cube means b you have to write down 3 times, a square means a 2 times. Are these all are equal expression? These and these? No, they are not equal because they are unlike term. Unlike term means variables, here variables are same but that powers are different. That's why they are not same. Now are these expression are same? You see, this is a raised to 5, b raised to 5, c raised to 2, c raised to 2, b raised to 5, a raised to 5, b raised to 5, a raised to 5, c raised to 2. Here above all expressions are same because they have same variables. a b c है, यहाँ भी a b c है और they have and same power. They have same base, same variable and same power. See, a has 5 powers, a raised to 5, here also a raised to 5, a raised to 5. B has 5 powers, b has 5 powers, b has 5 powers, b has 5 powers. Of course their orders are different. यहाँ पहले ए है लेकिन यहाँ बीच में सेकंड पोजीशन पे ये है, यहाँ सी थर्ड पोजीशन पे है ये, लेकिन यहाँ फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे. ऑर्डर मत देखो, यू हैव टू सी दैट पावर एंड वेरिएबल्स. So they have, A has 5 powers in all, B has 5 powers in all and C has 2 powers in all. That's why they are same. Now 7 square and 8x square, they are same? Yes, because these coefficients are different but variables are same and powers are same. 3x square y square z, 5x y z square, they are not same because here x raised to 2, here x raised to 1, powers are different. Here y raised to 2, here y raised to 1, here z raised to 2, z raised to 1, powers are different. Now 1 upon 2 xy square, 1 upon 2 xy square, 1 upon 3. Here the coefficients are different but we do not see this number, we see only variables and their powers. Variables are same, x and y, and powers x raised to 1, here is also x raised to 1, y raised to 2, y raised to 2. That's why they are same. Example number 5. Express the following number as a product of power of prime factors. That we knew in our previous chapters and previous standard also. Suppose 72. So you have to divide either by 2 or 3 by 5 or 7 or 11 or 13 or 17 or 19. If 2 is not possible, divide it by 3. If it is not possible, means completely division, then it divisible by 5. Like this way you do. You see, 72. Divide it, start from 2. Use divisibility, right? Here even number is there, so it is divisible by 2. 236 are, 218 are, 2 9s are. Then now it is not divisible by 2. So take 3. 3 3s are. So what is our simplification? 72 is equal to 2 how many times come? 3 times. 3 how many times come? 2 times. So 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 2. This is exponential form of 72. Like this way you can do this also. Now example number 6, that you have to do by yourself. Exercise 13.1, find the values. You can find the values like this way. Suppose 2 raised to 6, then 2 how many times you have to write down? 6 times. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 60 to the 32 to the 64. Like this way second, third and fourth you can do by yourself. Question number 2, it is same that I have explained now. Question number 3 also I have explained. So do all homework. Question number 1, 2 and 3 and 4 also and 5. Okay, so till here we study this chapter today. Next time we will do next points. So have a nice day. Goodbye. If you have any difficulties, then you can ask me. Thank you.